your girl Dolores, just a pink girl in my pink world, here on YouTube for another Canva Christmas. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to be learning tips and tricks that might can improve your Christmas and maybe can learn some do-it-yourself stuff. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go back to that print button we saw the last two times, and we're going to go to gifts, and you see all the different gifts. Today we're going to talk about we made a mug the last time. We're going to talk about a water bottle. Because if you got an athlete in your life, somebody who's on a health kick, listen, I love this immediately because they know I like pink. So, Princess Potion. Very cute, very things. The lightning bolts, gonna delete. We're gonna make one from scratch, but this is one from a template because I really don't show you how you can edit templates. So I'm looking for pink. Oh, this is so cute. So they have different pink potions. Let's see about the background. Because we might could just we'll just put different things in the background. So just erase the potion part so we can get the idea going of what we might want. Pink bubbles. Okay. This one is very cute. So I'm going to set it right there. Okay. This is a lot of, want to delete that. Want to delete that. Like this, kind of like what it is. Maybe want to take that. Not so bubble gum pink. Do these. And make them a different size. Hold on. Let's click this one right here. I will do this. Click the color I want because those are my brand colors. And actually what I can do is make the words black. See how they look when the words are black. So let me highlight the word. Let me make sure it's black. Hold on. It's doing its own thing. Oh, I think because of the word. So we'll leave it white. Actually, let's see if we can find a background of bubbles. That is very cute. I like this one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is with the template, which is easier than before. Okay, so now we're going to exit out of that. We're going to type pink. And you see the potion is at the bottom with the cute little potion bottles that are everywhere. Let's see. That is very cute. Let's go with the little back bubbles. But that's still a lot of overpowering. Let's go to trying to find something cute, but not too overpowering. Bring it down a little bit. Bring that back up. Princess Potion, okay? Let's just say we went from the template. This is what we made, right? These are things we've already talked about. So the more you do this, the more when it comes to even doing something like this for a water bottle, it becomes quicker and faster for you because you already have the basics down pat. You know how to change the colors. You know how to look specifically for what you want. If you're a pro user, everything is open to you. For users, you have to be a little bit more selective. Options are not as much as it could be. Okay? So let's just look at this before we make one that I might like. Okay? So what we're gonna do is print with Canva. Okay. So that's how the water bottle will look. It'll say Princess Potion. Now this is where it comes in. If you have things like a Cricut, you can do this on your own. If you're making more than these, you can get a DTF transfer to wrap around bottles, do it yourself. But if you feel like you want to buy this water bottle and you like the way this looks, then you can do this. They have a money back guarantee. Again, they'll send you, we've talked about this before, if you have a problem with it. This is a 20-ounce, lightweight, just nice looking bottle. We just want to do one page. 2 bottles are $45. 1 bottle is $23. 3 bottles are $66. 4 bottles are $84. 5 bottles are $103. 10 bottles are $206. On and on and on and on. If you have a club, if you got family members that you all just want to kick it and just have some fun, good times and have water bottles together, this might be it. Now, that was just a template. So how quick I could put that together? It gets a little less quicker when you want to do it yourself. So let's just say we already know, what am I going to pick? Say it out loud. Pink as my background. I'm going to do pink. I'm going to see if they got water. They do. So I'm going to pick this pink water background, right? Um, I'm going to type health. And I'm going to go graphics. I'm going to put health is wealth on there. Now, as you see at the top, let me cancel that out. Top at the top page, the colors are up here. Okay, so I might like the design, but this is a design that I can change for myself. So I could say the overall green, one of my brand colors. Um, I can leave that. This blue can be like a lighter pink. So health as well. I tell people, look around. Even if you have a choice that you like, so if I like that as is, I can add little reminders. Doesn't always have to be just that big thing. It can be like, okay, these are the little things that go around it. Be gentle with yourself. Just reminders on your water bottles to just kind of like affirm different things. You can put it different. Self love club. Um, I like this health as well better. So let's take these. I'm gonna take these off because I really didn't like the first one, but this one I really like. So see how that's cute? So cute. So if I wanted to, I could download this and put it and get it print it out at home. Use my Canva, my Cricut. I could either layer with the Cricut. I like to do more print use. Like if I could print it with my printer and do it. My Cricut, I use a lot for like my shirts and stuff like that. Which later on in this video, because I'm gonna give you another little show thing, it will make it easier. Okay, so now you see this bottle? Health is wealth. I like that one better than the first one. But if you're in the comments, tell me which one you like better. Okay? See? Now, see how pretty that is? That is so cute. Your girl might have to make it for herself, I'm telling you. So, we're going to exit out of this. We're going to go right here to the home screen. Now, this is the game changer for those people who really don't see what they want. I'm going to give you a new tip. You see right there? It says Dream Lab. Click Dream Lab. As you see, some of the decorations you'll see throughout the weeks, I've done some Dream Lab work. So what you're going to do is you can describe, but the more you're detailed, the better it will be. Okay, so if I want a cute, let's put cute, young, let's say woman, ponytail. Okay. So I want a cute young black woman with black hair in a ponytail, dressed in pink, drinking out of a beautiful water bottle. Okay. Great. Let's just see what it creates. I did the square because in the picture they had the square. You see how they do the little realistic ones? Now, we still have the image up there. I can add the image in there, which kicks it off even more. So, I can do cinematic, I can do um, smart illustration. Let's see with pop art what it will look like. Same concept. See? I can even change it to, let's just say, if you're doing this and it's too realistic for you. So, here we go. Look, that's cute. So I literally can take this file, download image, and then once I've downloaded it, go back, go home, go to the project that we had before, go down, add a page, upload, upload files, click, she's in there, set images background, and then I go to page 3. And now look, we're going to exit out of that. We're going to bring this up. Now you see her on the water bottle. See that? That's cute. So, we've learned about Dream Labs, which is a game changer And now we have learned about how to make a water bottle in Canva. And until then, I want to tell you thank you so much. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And see you on the next Canva Christmas. Until then, peace.